Hello, welcome. This is One Egg Cake. Yes, that's the name. It is a pocket friendly cake. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Look how fluffy the cake is. Continue watching. To bake the cake, I've got the baking powder and salt here, flour, which I put in plastic bags. Don't mind me, it just makes it easier for me. The sugar as well, milk, and the vegetable oil. Please make the vegetable oil a little less than this. The egg and vanilla. The flour has been sifted. This is baking powder and the salt. So when I've added it, I'm gonna mix it like I'm doing right now. Pour the vegetable oil in another bowl. Pour in the sugar, and then I'm going to mix it together. So I'm using a whisk right now because I'll soon add the egg. So in goes the egg. I'm gonna whisk it together. I have been mixing this for a while now. It is done. So in goes the vanilla. Mix in the vanilla properly. After this, I will blend in the flour. The flour is about half of it. So I'll just blend that in for now. After the flour comes the milk. So I'm mixing in the milk right now. After the milk, I blend in the last batch of flour. I'm still folding it in. See the lumps here? Just wanted you to know that it's not every time you're baking the things turn out perfect. So I'm gonna beat it as much as I can to get it smooth. It's not as lumpy as it was before. I'm going to add preservative. This is optional. We could use white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. This serves as a preservative and it is also a raising agent, so you get the perfect cake that you want. So I'll just mix this in. I've preheated the oven. This baking pan has been greased and floured, so I'll just pour the batter inside. I like greasing and flouring the pan for baking because it adds brown color to the crust. So I just shake it together, ready to be put inside the oven. So the cake is done, fresh from the oven.